Hello everybody, welcome to week 7. I wanted to go over a couple of things that we'll be going over this week. We're going to be covering labels and envelopes, which are kind of fun, kind of useful. I'm not going to go over how to do it because you're going to do that through the exercises, so I just wanted to talk about a couple of things in the grading part of it. So you can either send them in as two separate documents or you can combine them into one document. Here's an example of what your envelope should look like. You need to actually make it an envelope in Word, not just type it as part of the Word document. Labels are fun. If you go into Microsoft Word, let me see if it'll pull up really quick. My computer's running kind of slow tonight. But if you go into Word, there's actually a mail merge that you can use to create labels, or if you have, like, I use labels for my Christmas card list. And it's kind of nice. You can do the mail merge, and I can't remember if we do this for an assignment later on or not, but this is what we're going to be working with right here. But you can, I set mine up with an Excel file where I have names and addresses saved, and then you can merge it to an Excel file and then have them print labels. So that's an easy thing to do. You can do it for wedding lists or party invitations, Christmas cards, lots of different things like that. So it's definitely something that you could use outside of class. So hopefully you'll have fun with this assignment. I think that's everything on that one. So we're kind of at the end of Unit 2 here. So the first part of the week you'll finish up with chapter 10, and then at the end of the week is when these two things are due. The performance assessment, and this is very similar to an assignment that we did, creating a report, inserting a cover page, things like that. But this teach one another, I wanted to kind of show you a little bit about this. This actually you need to get started working on earlier in the week as well. So if you click here, it's just a reminder. If you click on this teach one another Unit 2 assessment, it'll give you the instructions here. So what you're going to do is you're going to scroll down. There's 30 topics right here. You're going to choose 10 of those topics that you want to learn more about. Then you're going to go out to the internet and find a website that gives you good information on that. And make sure you read through all of these instructions, because you don't just want to go out and do a Google search like it says here and pick the first link that comes up. Okay, look at all of these links and find one that actually has good information. Yeah, and then list why you liked it, what you learned about it. So here's how you'll be graded: picking the topics, providing a link, making sure that those links work, so you can just copy and paste the URL. And then you're also going to post this on the forum, so you need to reply to, I think it said 3 other students. Oh, it's somewhere in the instructions here. Maybe it's not on this page, but you need to reply to 3 other students to get full credit for that. So that's why this part actually needs to be done by midweek, so that you have time to, so the other students have, ones to work on and to post replies to. So make sure that you work on that part earlier in the week, even though it comes up under the stuff that's due by the end of the week. The replies will be due by the end of the week, but you need to get that, or sorry, this one up here, you need to get that posted to the forum as soon as possible. So hopefully that makes sense. If you have questions, please don't hesitate to ask. We're going to keep this recording nice and short. This is week 7's word for the quiz, illocution. So have a great week, and let me know if you need anything. Thanks.